just mix it again.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Kamusta kayong lahat? And hope everybody is doing fine. And today we're making squash pancake. We actually grow this guy. I cut it because we cooked the half of it, but as you can see, just the inside and the seeds is still there. And you can also eat the seeds. Some people does eat the seeds. It's just like pumpkin. Just cut it. Ooh. Just keep it somewhere. And then let's help. What I like to do is I like to take the stuff off, like just go around, and then the whole thing will come out by itself. Even the pulp, because you get a little pulp that can only had in there. As you can see, it came out good, and I just put that on the side. And now what I gotta do is take the peel off. You can use the peeler for easier peel to peel it. As you can see, it will just come out whole thing. Alright guys, so I just finished up peeling it up. Now what I've got to do is we're going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to wash it, and we're going to put it in our pot to boil it. As you can see, just cut it in half. Alright. And now guys, I'm gonna go wash it. And now guys, just finished washing it. Now we're gonna put it in our pot. But first I'm gonna turn the heat on. So while we putting it, it's already turning, like it's already getting hot. So just put the whole thing in here. Make sure that all of it get in water, or to make it soft. Oh. So as you can see guys, it's already all of them in water, and they are soaked up. Like we just go and boil these guys like until it get really soft, for us to be able to mash it like a potato. Guys, so as you can see, it's already soft. And now we're gonna turn it off, and we're just going to take the squash out of our pot. We're going to do it one by one. So, oh, steam. So what we gotta do next guys is I'm gonna put this in our bowl. This is the mixing bowl. Just put our squash in here. And then we're gonna get the potato smasher. We can just smash it. As you can see, we just gonna keep smashing it till all the way soft, like all the way smashed together. Then you can see there's nothing, it's whole or still get big pieces. So we just keep smashing. Alright, I think it's all the way low on it. Get a little bit more. Get the spatula to stir to see that they don't have the big pieces. Alright, and now what we gotta do, we gonna put our cinnamon. So this is one of the ingredients, cinnamon. And we're gonna move this mushroom now. We're gonna put cinnamon in here. put as much as you want if you like cinnamon. And also we're gonna put baking powder. We only gonna put like about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have it here. And we're gonna put this, like we're gonna use the same thing, but we're gonna put vanilla extract. We're gonna do 1.5 teaspoon. 1.5. So we're gonna mix them. Let's mix this whole thing till all of them is well combined or well mixed. Alright. So what we're gonna put next is our flour. The last one we're gonna put in here is the egg, because we don't want the egg to get cooked. So we're gonna in our squash, so we're gonna put the egg last. So now what we're gonna do is put like all-purpose flour or bread flour. So I got here, this is like 1/4 cup, but I'm not like putting a lot, like, so just sprinkle some in here. What we gotta do is mix this. So if you think that the it was like it's still too so soupy for you, or still like kind of water, you can put more of our bread flour or all-purpose flour. So it's still kind of like a little wet. Now we're gonna put more flour. Alright. So just mix it again. And also the flour is like helping the squash to cool down a little bit while we're waiting for our egg to be put in our ingredients, in our mixture. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the egg in here. Just 1 egg. So what I gotta do is I need the fork to do it, so I'll be able to be faster to mix it together. I'll put a little bit more flour on it because it's kind of like wet. So we're just gonna mix it. Then we're going fry it a little on a little oil. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little better. So just get all this flour out before we go and cook it. Alright, so it's all well combined. Now we're going to bring it by our heat. So let's go. So first I'm going to turn it on to make it our pot to get hot. So I got a little oil on it already. It's like it's hot now. Now we're going to put a little mixture in there. And guys, please make sure like that, just do this on a low heat. I mean a medium heat, because you don't want the mixture to get burnt. You just gonna flatten this. And one more on this side. So I'll put a little oil in here. Okay. So since the oil is not getting to it, So I'm just cooking it on medium heat. Let's use this spatula. So make sure that it's not sticky on the bottom part before we can flip it. Okay. So now it's time to flip it. As you can see, it's perfect. This one is need a little bit more brown and like get a little bit more with oil. That one is good. This really came out really good. You don't want to be sweet. So we're flipping this one. Oh, they're coming out good. So this one is almost. This one is done. So we're gonna put it on our plate with our paper towel. Put this one, and this one, and one more. Also refrigerate this for at least a day, and you can use it again for like for breakfast for your kids, and like so you don't have to make another mixture if it is too much. So just put it in the refrigerator and refrigerate it at least like 24 hours. Here you go, guys. Now we're going to put it on our table and we're going to try. Turn the heat off. Alright guys, it's time to taste our squash pancake. As you can see, it came out good. So we're just going to put one in our plate. So I use like the pancake syrup, and you can also use maple syrup if you get those, or if you don't like syrup at all, you can use honey. And I like my pancake with syrup. Here we go. First try. Here we go, guys. It is very good, and also it's not only delicious, it's also very nutritious, guys, and it is all good with your give it to your kids every morning. So hope y'all like this recipe, and please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so you will get updated on my videos, and hope y'all like this, and please subscribe. Always remember, guys, spread love, no hate.